Most people think taking the Banff Gondola to the peak of Sulphur Mountain is all about the outdoor boardwalk. But today, we are doing something completely different. We are skipping the outdoor trails entirely to give you the ultimate walkthrough guide to the massive, state-of-the-art, multi-level summit complex hidden right inside of the peak. Standing at over 7,400 feet above sea level, this indoor facility completely changes what it means to visit a mountain. Whether you're trying to dodge the freezing alpine winds, looking for a world-class food restaurant, or just want a structured tour of everything this building has to offer, this is your step-by-step master guide. We are walking through all 4 levels, from the ground floor up to the ultimate climax at the very top. Let's head inside. The second you step off the gondola cabin, you enter level 1, which acts as the main gateway hub for the entire building. The layout here is designed to get you oriented. Down on the first level, you'll find the primary guest service counters, a massive gift shop packed with Canadian Rockies gear and plenty of indoor seating areas to get your bearings. If you just want a quick pick-me-up before exploring further, this floor is home to Castle Mountain Coffee. It's the perfect spot to grab and go a hot coffee, tea, or a quick snack to fuel your walkthrough. The layout is incredibly open, but this is just the baseline of the complex. To see the real heart of the experience, we need to take the central stairs up to the next level. Welcome to Level 2. This floor completely transforms the summit from a simple viewpoint into a high-tech mountain museum. This is the Interpretive Discovery Center, a completely self-guided interactive space built for all ages. The layout here is fascinating. You can walk through hands-on exhibits that teach you exactly how these massive, jagged tectonic ridges were formed, alongside deep dives into local alpine history. But the absolute highlight of this floor is the visual display zone. You literally cannot miss these massive, floor-to-ceiling tiled TV screens. Seeing these towering, ultra-detailed displays of native wildlife, like the cougar and the grizzly bear, makes it feel like you are standing mere inches away from the kings of the Rockies, right from the safety of the complex. Moving up to level 3, the complex transitions from education to serious alpine comfort. This entire floor is dedicated to the Northern Lights Alpine Kitchen. This is a massive, market-style buffet restaurant inspired by classic ski lodge comfort food and the hearty meals of early mountain guides. Finally, we have reached the absolute climax of the entire summit complex. Level 4, the Peak Patio. Stepping out onto this massive open-air rooftop deck is an absolute game changer. The layout up here is completely dialed in for an outdoor alpine vibe. You've got a fantastic walk-up bar where you can grab a cold drink or a quick bite, and plenty of long, sleek patio benches to just kick back, drop your gear, and take it all in. Because you are completely outdoors at over 7,400 feet, you are literally sitting level with the clouds, surrounded by an unobstructed 360-degree view of the jagged Rocky Mountain peaks. There is honestly no better spot to celebrate reaching the top of the mountain. Now, if you want to take your summit experience one step further, you have to step past the patio and hit the Sulphur Mountain boardwalk. This beautifully maintained wooden walkway takes you on a dramatic, ridge-line journey straight up to Sanson's Peak. Walking this trail feels incredible because the FPV views are completely wide open. As you climb the stairs, you get these massive, sweeping panoramic views of the Bow Valley framing both sides of the ridge. Right at the very end of the boardwalk, you reach the true historic crown of the mountain, the Sulphur Mountain Cosmic Ray Station, and the Old Stone Meteorological Observatory, built back in 1903. Standing right next to this piece of history at the highest accessible point on the ridge gives you a completely different perspective of the landscape below. It is the perfect, rewarding final stop for your entire Banff Gondola adventure.